Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to constrain props in Sequencer. So it's pretty straightforward. We're going to be using the parent constraint option in the constraints tool, and we will be utilizing sockets to get the correct positions. So to do that, we need to create the sockets in our character by going to the skeletal mesh. So locate and find your skeletal mesh. For me, I want to constrain it to the FK right hand. So again, right hand, this is the FK. But again, do it if you're doing whatever hand you need. And then create a socket. Now to know where our prop is going to be positioned, you want to add a preview asset. And you'll see that it's not quite in the right spot. So just go ahead and position it here. Okay, so once it's in position, go ahead and save. By the way, if you see your character in the T-pose, that's how it normally comes, but if you want a specific asset to get the socket location, if you have an animation sequence, you can select it from the preview animation up here. But anyway, now let's constrain the prop to that socket we just created. So go to the plus sign here. Very important, double check maintain offset is off. We don't want that on. Hit create. Then you'll get this picker. You can pick your character, type in whatever the name of your socket is, and it snaps to the socket's location. Okay, great. So that's how you constrain your prop to your character. Now, what if you want to constrain your character to your prop? Like, for example, I want this left hand to follow this position on the handle of my weapon. So super simple. All you gotta do is add a socket to your mesh, which I already did. Let me go ahead and locate it for you. You just go to the socket manager, add one, name it as you see fit, and then we're going to constrain it. And I want to do the IK hand and the IK elbow so that I get a more believable motion. Now, when we are going to parent constrain it, we actually want maintain offset to be on because I've noticed it's a bit you get unexpected behavior due to the rotations. So I found that maintain offset works better in this situation. So go ahead, click create. Then again, use the picker to select your socket. And then there you go. I can now animate this right hand driving all the motion, driving both the other hand and my weapon, which is super useful for props. So yeah, I hope that's helpful for you and happy animating.